Hello guys, this is Roy from Arena Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And for this video, I'm going to share with you, there's a picture that I found on the internet that shows the VZ chassis. Okay, so first thing I want to say is I don't know if this picture is real or not, but this is so far that what I can found on the internet. So you can see the front is like the VES chassis, and the rear part is basically looks just like the TZX. But no matter this chassis is real or not, it's better than nothing that we can found, right? Because right now the Tamiya doesn't release any idea, and here I put the front for the VS and the rear part was the TZX. It looks pretty similar, but still, if that's the real VZ, and here's one thing we can shows in the picture. Here's the picture for the front, and here's the picture for the VS at the front. So as you can see, if this is the real VZ chassis, and compared to the regular VS, the front, it looks like a little bit much more stronger, because if the people who play VS, they know the front part for the VS is pretty weak. So if that's the real VZ chassis, and looks like it's been much more stronger than the regular VS. So hopefully this is the real picture for this VZ chassis. And another thing I found on the picture, and I show you like the bigger one, and that you can see at the top, I point those two, and at the bottom I point the other two. Those two spot, if this is the real VZ chassis, I would say those two probably is the spot that can make the especially the people who want to play this chassis and can make their life easier. Because for the regular VS, it's very tough to, if you want to do the modifications. But if those two holes, you can install the plates, anything, whatever at the bottom, then that will definitely make your life easier. So like I said, no guarantee if this picture is real or not, but still like that, better than nothing. At least that we can know maybe that is the one we are gonna do, right? Like we're gonna get. But the good news is on the September 27 to 29 at the Japan Moto shows, they will release the VZ chassis in that day. So wait till the end of the September, then we can know what is the real VZ chassis looks like. And hopefully they will also release what kind of a body they're gonna put on that VZ chassis. I think that's the most people having question about. And also I have seen there's some comment for people, they don't hope that's gonna be the chassis looks like, because it looks like pretty boring. But you know what, if that's how it is, then there's nothing we can say, right? But still, let's wait till the end of the September and let's see what's the real VZ chassis looks like. Okay, and this is today's video. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Alright, thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you. I'll see you next time.